Hey tool lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're revealing 15 of the coolest tools every handyman should have. Gadgets that are smarter, tougher, and more useful than anything in your current toolbox. These aren't just your average screwdrivers and wrenches. We're talking high-tech innovations, space-saving power tools, and genius problem solvers that make real work easier and way more fun. And tool number 11, it's so clever, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Without further ado, let's get started. Tackling tough drilling jobs with precision and safety demands power, control, and smart technology. Introducing the Bosch Profactor Hammer Drill Driver, engineered for heavy-duty drilling, including large straight holes. Powered by 18 volts and capable of reaching a maximum rotational speed of 2,200 RPM. This tool features advanced bi-turbo brushless technology optimized for use with core 18 volts high-power batteries. Connectivity options via the Bosch Toolbox app allow users to customize settings and receive tool feedback. The onboard user interface provides leveling angle control, tool status updates, and a temporary kickback control override for enhanced safety. With kickback control and a clutch offering 25 settings, it ensures accurate driving and reduces fastener damage. The electronic angle detection feature enables precise installation of long screws straight or at angles, making it a versatile and powerful choice for professionals. In vehicle maintenance and diagnostics, gaining access to confined spaces is critical for fast, accurate inspection. The Milwaukee M18 Auto Technician Borescope is engineered specifically for transportation professionals who demand precision in tight areas. With its ultra-slim 5mm camera head, it easily navigates spark plug, glow plug, and fuel injector ports. Dual high-definition front and side view cameras provide sharp visuals to confidently detect even the finest hairline cracks. The 3-foot replaceable cable includes heat-sense technology, alerting you when surfaces are too hot to inspect, protecting both your tool and your safety. Capture and export photos and videos on the spot to document findings quickly. For superior access, clarity, and reliability, trust Milwaukee's M18 Borescope to deliver results where others can't. Removing excess concrete efficiently requires a tool that offers strength, comfort, and precision. Introducing the Bosch SDS Max Bushing Tool, optimized with a 12.5-inch shaft, designed to reduce bending and minimize user discomfort during heavy concrete removal. Its 25-tooth head design ensures quick and efficient concrete roughing, making it ideal for tough demolition tasks. Engineered for durability and performance, this bushing tool helps professionals tackle demanding jobs with greater ease and control, improving productivity on any concrete surface. A reliable cordless finishing tool is essential for landscapers and contractors seeking power without gas hassles. Introducing the Milwaukee Edging Trowel, delivering 5 horsepower performance with precise control thanks to its power state brushless motor and a max blade speed of 160 RPM. Its ergonomic throttle and balanced design make it comfortable and efficient to use. This trowel produces no emissions, less noise, and requires no regular maintenance, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It includes 2 MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge minutes with Cool Cycle active cooling to reduce downtime. RedLink Plus. Intelligence provides overload protection, ensuring durability. Plus, it's One Key compatible, allowing users to track, manage, and remotely lock their equipment via Bluetooth for added security. In many jobs, having powerful yet compact tools is essential for efficiency and ease of use. Introducing the Equalizer Blackhawk Auto Duty Glass Removal Tool. Equipped with a robust 20-amp brushless motor that delivers ample power to quickly remove even the toughest glass. Its lightweight and compact design allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces, making it ideal for automotive glass replacement and other demanding tasks. The tool features a bright LED light, ensuring excellent visibility in dark or confined work areas, improving accuracy and safety. Designed for professionals who need reliable performance without sacrificing comfort, this tool combines power, portability, and precision in one package. The Blackhawk glass removal tool is a must-have for anyone needing fast, effective, and clean glass removal on the job. Reliable and powerful tools are essential for efficient drilling and chiseling in tough concrete and masonry work. Introducing the Makita XGT Rotary Hammer, a cordless hammer designed to deliver high performance with the freedom of mobility. Part of Makita's 40-volt Max XGT system, this rotary hammer combines a brushless motor and advanced anti-vibration technology for smooth, comfortable operation. It offers multiple modes to handle drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling tasks, making it versatile for construction and renovation projects. Built with durable materials, it withstands the harsh conditions of job site. The XGT hammer also features rapid battery charging and long runtime, ensuring you stay productive without interruption. Lightweight yet robust, it is perfect for professionals who need cordless power without sacrificing performance or reliability on demanding concrete jobs. Precision and efficiency are crucial when working with torque tools to ensure safety and accuracy. Introducing the Norbar ProTronic Plus Torque Wrench, a versatile tool with a 1/2-inch drive and torque range from 5 to 100 Newton meters. Equipped with Bluetooth, it connects seamlessly to an app for easy monitoring and control. The wrench offers 4 alert modes, including an LCD, progressive LED, audible, and tactile feedback to prevent over-tightening. Users can select from 5 torque units: Newton meters, pound force feet, pound force inches, DC Newton meters, and kilogram centimeters. Programmable with up to 50 preset torque values, it saves time on repeat tasks. Supplied with a durable storage case and a traceable calibration certificate, this torque wrench is reliable for professional use and quality assurance on every job. Precision, power, and versatility are essential for tackling a wide range of cutting and sanding tasks. Introducing the Bosch StarLock Plus Oscillating Multi-Tool, featuring the next-generation StarLock 3D tool accessory interface. This design delivers an outstanding accessory grip with increased contact surface area for superior torque transfer and expanded work capacity. The no-touch blade change system allows easy attachment, removal, or repositioning of blades without hassle. Powered by an EC brushless 18-volt motor, it achieves a top speed of up to 20,000 oscillations per minute with a 2.8-degree oscillating arc. The variable speed dial ensures precise speed control, while constant response circuitry maintains consistent performance under load. Weighing just 3 pounds, this lightweight tool fits into tight spaces comfortably, with ergonomic grip zones and an LED light for improved visibility. Compatible with many StarLock and StarLock Plus accessories, it excels in flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, and grinding tasks. Efficient removal of spot welds is essential for professional automotive, industrial, and metalworking tasks. Introducing the Milwaukee M12 band files, the first cordless band files delivering pneumatic performance, size, and features tailored for industrial users. These powerful tools leverage power state brushless motor technology to achieve the fastest spot weld removal, ensuring speed and reliability. They offer unmatched control with 2-speed settings, forward and reverse function, a lock-on button, and a variable speed trigger for versatile operation. The tool-free 360-degree arm rotation enhances greater mobility and access in tight spaces. Powered by the M12 red lithium battery, the 1/2 inch by 18 inch band file removes up to 50 spot welds per charge, while the 3/8 inch by 13 inch model removes up to 65. These band files combine cordless convenience with professional-grade power and precision. Accurate tire pressure measurement is essential for vehicle safety and fuel efficiency. Introducing the Craftsman Digital Tire Gauge, a compact and reliable tool designed to fit perfectly in your glove box. This gauge measures tire pressure up to 100 psi with precision to 1/10 of a pound. It features a backlit display and an illuminated nozzle, ensuring improved visibility even in low light conditions. The gauge offers quick and easy use, providing fast, accurate readings every time. To preserve battery life, it includes a 30-second automatic shutoff feature. The digital tire gauge supports multiple pressure units, including PSI, bar, kilopascal, and kilogram force per square centimeter, making it versatile for different measurement preferences. This convenient and efficient tool is perfect for maintaining proper tire pressure and enhancing driving safety. Achieving consistent, reliable crimps in tight spaces is crucial for professional electricians and technicians. Introducing the Milwaukee Utility Crimpers, designed for easy, uniform crimps with an inline design and a 340-degree rotating head that offers unmatched access and control in multiple orientations. Its enlarged trigger and dual electronic release buttons accommodate both left and right-handed users, even while wearing Class 3 gloves, without changing hand position. The latched head opens and secures easily to ensure only the intended wire is crimped. Using an industry-standard D3 die index, it crimps up to 4/0 line taps. More space between the die seats allows the die insertion and removal while latched and helps align large connectors. Featuring Milwaukee Predictive Force Monitoring, it measures output force to maintain consistent crimps throughout the tool's life. Equipped with fully enclosed high-speed hydraulics, a power-state brushless motor, red-link electronics, red lithium batteries, and one-key technology for real-time crimp data storage, this crimper delivers unmatched reliability and precision. Precision and safety are essential when making angled cuts in woodworking and construction projects. Introducing the Worx Powershare Sliding Compound Miter Saw, designed to make your cutting tasks easier, safer, and more accurate. This compact and portable saw features an innovative work-holding lever that securely supports materials while keeping your hands safely away from the blade. Its sliding compound design delivers cleaner cuts and better finishing results, ideal for everyday builders and DIY enthusiasts. The saw's compact size allows for easy transport and saves valuable space on your workbench, making it perfect for on-site jobs. Combining power, safety, and convenience, the Worx 20-volt Powershare Sliding Compound Miter Saw is a reliable tool that enhances efficiency and ensures professional quality results every time. Maintaining your garden with precision and ease requires the right tools for efficient trimming. Introducing the DeWalt Pole Hedge Trimmer, designed for quick and effective cutting with a blade cut capacity of 25 millimeters and 2,800 strokes per minute. This well-balanced landscaping tool is lightweight and highly maneuverable, providing up to 75 minutes of runtime when paired with a 5 amp-hour battery. It offers an impressive maximum reach of 3.35 meters thanks to its extendable pole. The 7-position, 180-degree articulating head allows for versatile angles and precise trimming in hard-to-reach areas, combining power, reach, and flexibility. The DeWalt 18-volt XR Pole Hedge Trimmer is an essential tool for maintaining neat, healthy hedges and shrubs with minimal effort. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable tire inflator is essential for safety and convenience. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Inflator, the fastest cordless inflator designed for passenger, light truck, and medium-duty tires. This inflator delivers quick, accurate inflation with a maximum pressure of 150 psi, filling a 33-inch light truck tire in under 1 minute. Featuring True Fill technology, it automatically waits for pressure to stabilize, checks system pressure, and fills until the target PSI is reached. The auto shutoff prevents overinflation, allowing users to set it and forget it. Additional features include 4 PSI memory slots, anti-vibration feet, a 36-inch hose with an all-brass Schrader chuck, and onboard hose and nozzle storage. Portable and efficient, this inflator is perfect for on-the-go tire maintenance. A reliable and versatile transport solution is essential for handling heavy or bulky items with ease. Meet the Wolfcraft transport system, which is designed to make transporting crates, shopping, or flower pots effortless. It supports loads up to 100 kilograms and features a quick folding function for fast setup. The sturdy cast aluminum baseplate measures 49 by 28 centimeters, providing ample space. 2 arched back struts secure materials, especially round objects like flower pots or gas bottles. When folded, it compactly measures 50 by 82 by 7.7 centimeters, perfect for small car boots. Equipped with puncture-proof 18-centimeter wheels, it works well indoors and outdoors, even over steps. The ergonomic rubberized grip bar extends up to 110 centimeters, offering fatigue-free handling and ample space for your hands when carrying tall or bulky items. There you have it, 15 next-level handyman tools that are changing the game for DIYers and pros alike. Which tool had you thinking, "I need that right now"? Drop your favorite in the comments, and if you saw something that belongs in every serious toolbox, go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the next round of tool reviews, gear upgrades, and workshop tech. Until then, stay sharp, stay ready, and build like a boss.